Audio Jungle.
A gray Santa Cruz, adorned with a red bow, rolled off the Montgomery plant's assembly line during a ceremony featuring members of a local high school marching band and speeches from the facility leadership. The Santa Cruz joins the Sonata and Elantra sedans and Santa Fe and Tucson SUVs on the Montgomery assembly line, an addition that marks the first time Hyundai's Alabama operation has produced 5 different vehicles at once. The highly anticipated Santa Cruz Sport Adventure vehicle, first displayed as a concept in 2015, straddles both SUV and truck segments by featuring a secure, open bed area which includes a lockable tonneau cover and hidden bed storage for gear-carrying flexibility. Hyundai's Alabama operation recently completed a $410 million plant expansion project to support adding the Santa Cruz to HMMA's product mix. The addition of the Santa Cruz will further enhance HMMA's ability to adjust its vehicle production with market demand and stay competitive in the ever-changing automotive market. The production launch of the Santa Cruz comes just months after Hyundai Alabama began building the Tucson SUV, the company's best-selling U.S. model. The introduction of the all-new Santa Cruz and the Tucson SUV to Hyundai's Montgomery manufacturing operation underscores the company's long-term commitment to producing top-quality vehicles in Alabama. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.